everyone, Anjali this side, and if you have been following my channel for a while, you would be knowing that I love talking about opportunities that set you apart in your academic journey. Here at IISER Bhopal, I have seen some of my friends and seniors publish a research paper while still in their college. Something which I once thought was impossible to do, but with the right guidance, I realized that even undergrads can do it. So in today's video, I'll share why publishing a research paper in college is a total game changer. How you can start writing one, and most importantly, how to get it published in a right journal without falling into traps. Plus, I'll tell you about the resource that helped me when I was completely clueless. So why you should publish a research paper? There are three key reasons to it. First, publishing a research paper is the only way to build credibility in your research. You may have done amazing work, but if you don't publish it, no one will come to know about it. So to get it recognized, make sure to publish your paper. Second, a paper publication is one of the biggest achievements of a student in entire college life. I personally know my batchmates and seniors at IISER who have managed to get a research paper published that really boosted their CV for jobs in higher education. Third, it significantly increases your chances to get selected in top global university for masters or PhD. Having a published research paper puts you in top 5% applicants and sets apart from others. Also, research papers are the language of academia. Professors and admission committee members know how difficult it is to publish a research paper and thus give a lot of weightage during the admission process. Now, how should you go about writing a research paper? I too was completely clueless and felt overwhelmed on how I should begin on this journey. So I typed on YouTube like how to write a research paper, and I found this channel called Wise Up Communications with 3 lakh subscribers, and I must admit that I got completely hooked to their channel, where the founder Neha Agarwal, she talked about how research focused AI tools are helping to make the literature review and research writing process so much easier. I highly recommend watching their YouTube channel to get started if you haven't, and I felt so much lucky to see that such platforms exist for researchers. After seeing their Google reviews, I signed up for the course A to Z of research paper writing and presentation, and I really loved it. The course is focused for beginners who plan to publish their first research paper. It starts from how a researcher can choose a research topic to conducting effective literature review using AI tools. Then they explain how to write each section of research paper. She ends with the publication process and selecting the appropriate journal. Neha has a unique way of teaching which really made the course interesting, and I finished the 12-hour course in a week. I highly recommend taking this course, which will act like a catalyst to help you take action and get on the train to publish a research paper. I was so impressed with the course that I contacted Neha, and she said that she had already seen and loved some of my videos. She has obliged us with an exclusive discount to our channel subscribers for this course. The coupon code is GIFT50, GIFT50, and link to the course is in description. I saw that WiseUp also helps researchers with study abroad writing guidance, and given how so many of us plan to do PhD abroad, I believe this course would be great as well. We'll check it out in future for sure. Now, how to get your research paper published? In my anxiety, I started wondering once I complete writing the first draft of research paper, what will happen next? I had no clue how to actually publish it. That's when I realized writing the paper is just one part of the process. Getting it accepted into a good journal is a different ball game together. So here is what I learned through trial and error method and from watching videos on YouTube channels like WiseUp. So choose the right journal. Don't just pick any journal with the highest impact factor. There are other journal metrics also which you should consider as well. Also, your goal should be to find a journal that matches with the scope of your research. There are websites like Journal Finder by Elsevier or by Taylor and Francis which help match your abstract with suitable journals. Then avoid predatory journals. As a beginner, I didn't know that predatory journals exist too. Journals that charge money and publish anything without proper peer review. Publishing in these journals can actually hurt your academic credibility. WiseUp has a video explaining how to publish in Scopus and Web of Science index journals only. This really helped me screen out the bad ones. Now, understand the submission process. Each journal has its own submission guidelines. Formatting, reference style, word count all need to be followed exactly. Many AI tools are available nowadays like PaperPal, Jenny, which can help you in this process. Now, the peer review stage. Once the paper is submitted, it goes through peer review. This can take a month or even more. Good thing is that nowadays most journals put it up on their website, how much time the entire peer review process takes. So if you are short on your time, you can choose a journal accordingly. This was my 2 cents on how to publish a research paper in college. But if you are new to this process and you feel stuck, I highly recommend you to watch WiseUp's playlist on how to publish a research paper. It breaks down the entire journey step by step with real examples and simple explanations. And of course, if you want to learn everything in a more structured and detailed manner, you should join their course too. I'm putting the link and discount coupon in the description and also in the pinned comment. Lastly, I would love to know where you are at your research writing journey, and if you have any questions regarding writing a research paper, I'll ask Neha to reply to the comments on this channel. So thank you all for watching and all the best for your research writing journey.